here. Okay. Now, a very warm welcome to all of you to the free online coaching for SSC Revision and TSRJC coaching. This is sponsored by Jitadara Educational Technology. Now, I invite Arun sir to do the chemistry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, students. Welcome to the session. Today we are going to do chemistry, acid, bases, and salts. Let's get started. All right. Today's topic, anthological questions undavu. So most of the questions will be memory based. So we can do it very quickly. Okay, let's focus on the question, read the question, and message me the answer. Identify the salt in the following: NaCl, NaOH, HCl, HCl. Oh, I'm sorry. Madam, are you able to see my screen?
No. Right now we can see it. Yeah.
All right. I'm sorry. All right. So students, we're going to do acid, bases, and salts. Let's go for the first question. Identify the salt in the following. Quickly message me the answer in the chat box. Good. All right. So it's just a factual question, right? So let's go for the next question. Yes, you're all right. All right. Except one. One got wrong. Please check this answer and correct yourself. Kondi. That's okay if you're wrong. Wrong no problem. Idi training test kaadu, exam kaadu, training training lo enta baga cheste exam lo kuda anta manchi performance untundi. Let's move on. NaOH is a base. HCl and HCN are acids. Hydrochloric acid and hydrogen cyanide. Sorry. Screen. Are you all able to see my screen? Madam, screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
All right. Student has a problem. All right. Solution with pH less than 7 is. Which of these solutions has a pH value less than 7? And A solution acidic untundani మాట. Yeah, quick. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right. Mention it as 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Instead of typing the whole answer, please mention it as 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. It's acetic acid solution. Obviously, right? Sodium chloride solution is a neutral solution. Sodium hydroxide is basic. Acetic acid obviously is a acid which is having pH value less than 7. All right. Next one. Compound formed when excess CO2 is passed through lime water. Through lime water, when you pass CO2, excess CO2, only CO2 కాదు, అంటే మామూలు CO2 కాదు, just limited amount కాదు, excess CO2 పాస్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? Let's see. You'll get carbon, calcium bicarbonate. See what happens is, ముందు లిమిటెడ్ అమౌంట్ పాస్ చేస్తే కాల్షియం కార్బోనేట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్సెస్ పాస్ చేస్తే కాల్షియం బైకార్బోనేట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ముందు టర్బిడిటీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, దాని తర్వాత ఆ మిల్కీనెస్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. All right. Yes, 4. Good. The ones who got wrong, please correct yourself. Okay, look at this question. Mixing acid to water is what kind of reaction? Acid to water. It's one, exothermic, two, endothermic, neutralization, none of the above. See, when you add acid to water, what happens is heat is released. It's an exothermic reaction. Acid and water create a vigorous exothermic reaction when mixed. All right, remember this part. In these today's questions, not much of logic is involved. Memory-based questions are there, and a bit of knowledge about reactions. Over here. Bleaching powder is formed from slaked lime and HCl, slaked lime and chlorine, quicklime and HCl, quicklime and CO2. Good, good, good. You're all interacting. 4. Sidhu says 4. Let's look at the answer. It's 2. Yashwant, you're right. Absolutely right. It's okay if you go wrong. Yes. Srivashini is also right. Pavana, please correct yourself. Sidhu, please correct yourself. That's okay if you go wrong. Kannesh. Okay, over here. Next question. Bases can give dash ions in water. A base, when you dissolve it in water, what kind of ions are released? H plus, OH minus, H3O plus, OH plus. Yes, good. చెప్పండి ఇంకా that's good, that's good. బేస్ ని వాటర్ లో కలిపితే ఎలాంటి అయాన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? H ప్లస్ అయాన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందా, OH మైనస్ అవుతుందా, H3O ప్లస్, OH ప్లస్? టుడేస్ ఇస్ ఫ్యాక్చువల్ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇది మళ్ళీ మీరు యూట్యూబ్ లో వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ రివిజన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇవన్నీ క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళీ యూట్యూబ్ లో కూడా ఉంటాయి. Okay, let's see the answer. OH minus. Yes. Rachna, H plus is wrong. OH minus is the right answer. Here, bases produce hydroxide ions in water. Over here, next question. Washing soda is used in dash. Washing soda ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది? ఏ ఇండస్ట్రీలో యూజ్ అవుతుంది? మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఆఫ్ బోరాక్స్ లో యూజ్ అవుతుందా? ఇంట్లో డొమెస్టిక్ పర్పస్ లో క్లీనింగ్ ఏజెంట్ లాగా యూజ్ అవుతుందా? లేకపోతే అన్ని మూడిట్లో యూజ్ అవుతుందా? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది అబవ్? వన్. యా, వన్ లో డెఫినెట్లీ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. గుడ్. Oppo 0, your name is not visible, but you're right. Yes, Vaishali, Rachna, good. Rohini, cleaning agent to definitely use అవుతుంది, but it's also used in all of the above. All right? Yes, Chetan, good. All right, let's go for the next question. Which one of the following is strong acid? Strong acid ఏంటి దీంట్లో? First one is ethanoic acid, hydrochloric acid. This is a base. Fourth one is a base. So which one do you think is a strong acid? Yes, good. Yes. Pavana is right. Chetan is right. Let me note. Chetan is again mentioning 2. That's right. Sidheksha, 2. Very good. It's right. HCl is a strong acid. Ethanoic acid is a weak acid. H2O is a neutral oxide. NH4OH is a base. All right. pH value of aqueous NaCl solution is pH value of aqueous NaCl solution is NaCl ని వాటర్ లో కలిపితే pH value ఎంత ఉంటుంది? Bhavana, you are giving the right answer, but tell me the option. Chetan says 2. Is it acidic? 2 అంటే pH value of 2 means acidic. అది acidic కాదు కదా? Definitely acidic కాదు కదా? Yes, Bhavana, you are right. Sidheksha is right. Chetan, if it is 10, it turns out to be basic. Basic కూడా కాదు కదా, అది చూద్దాం, ఆన్సర్ చూద్దాం. It's 7. It's neutral solution. All right, Chetan, please correct yourself. Let's go for the next question. Yeah, NaCl is a neutral compound formed on action of strong acid and strong base. What you get is from HCl plus NaOH, you get neutral compound NaCl. That's why pH of NaCl solution is neutral, 7. Sorry, 7. All right? Yeah, you got it right. Here is another factual question. The chemical formula of blue-colored copper sulfate crystal is blue-colored. Simple copper sulfate crystal is white in color, but he says blue-colored copper sulfate crystal. What is blue-colored copper sulfate crystal? Give this a go. Good. 4. Most of you say 4. No. Think again. Option 2. Blue-colored copper sulfate crystal is copper sulfate pentahydrate. It is also called blue vitriol. ఓకే, బ్లూ విట్రియాల్ కూడా అంటారు. అదే క్వశ్చన్ లో బ్లూ విట్రియాల్ అంటే ఏంటి అని అడిగాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ పెంటాహైడ్రేట్ CO2CO4.5H2O ఇస్ కాల్డ్ కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ పెంటాహైడ్రేట్. బ్లూ కలర్. ఓన్లీ కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ ఏం కలర్ ఉంటుంది? వైట్ కలర్ ఉంటుంది. బ్లూ కలర్ crystal is copper sulfate pentahydrate. That's why it's also called blue vitriol. Let's go for the next one. Yeah, over here it's same explanation. The color of phenolphthalein indicator in NaOH solution is indicator ఉంది కదా phenolphthalein, అది NaOH solution లో ఏ కలర్ చూపిస్తుంది? NaOH ఏంటి? బేసిక్ సొల్యూషన్ కదా. బేసిక్ సొల్యూషన్ లో కలర్ ఏం చూపిస్తుంది? బేస్ లో ఒక ఇండికేటర్, ఏ ఇండికేటర్? ఫినోల్ఫథాలిన్. ఫినోల్ఫథాలిన్ ఇండికేటర్ బేసిక్ సొల్యూషన్ లో ఏ కలర్ చూపిస్తుంది? Yes, Sidhu, you are right. Yashwant is right. Chetan, please think again. Okay, let's see the answer. Yeah, Redmi Note is the name displayed, but I don't know what your name is. If you can mention your name, ఒకసారి నేమ్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తారా? రెడ్మీ నోట్ అని వస్తుంది. పింక్ సార్ అని చెప్పారు. That's right. Perfectly right. Yeah, that's pink. Phenolphthalein indicator is an acid-base indicator. When it is added to alkaline solution, it turns the solution into pink color. The change in color indicates completion of reaction or end point of the reaction. All right, all right. Yeah, most of you got this right. It's good. Those you got wrong, that's okay. Those of you got wrong, that's okay. But correct yourself. నేర్చుకోండి. తప్పు వచ్చినా నో ప్రాబ్లం, కానీ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి, ఇంకా నేర్చుకోండి. What is the chemical formula of hydronium ion? Hydronium ion chemical formula ఏంటి? Hydronium ion. Yashwant, okay. Option 2, hydronium ion. Let's see the answer. H3O plus. All right, remember this one. Usually you get confused between OH plus and H3O plus. It's H3O plus. The nature of non-metallic oxide is generally basic, acidic, amphoteric, neutral. Non-metallic oxide nature ఎలా ఉంటుంది? బేసిక్ ఉంటుందా, అసిడిక్ ఉంటుందా? It acts as both base and acid. Amphoteric ఉంటుందా, neutral ఉంటుందా? It's acidic. Okay, few of you answered one. It's not basic, it's acidic. Non-metallic oxides he's talking about. Okay, కొన్ని ఎక్కడెక్కడ తప్పు వెళ్తున్నారో అక్కడ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. You can again go back to YouTube channel and revise. All right. Which one of the following compounds is used as reagent in the preparation of chloroform? Chloroform prepare చేయడానికి which of these is used as a reagent? Reagent ఏది reagent లాగా వాడతారు? Okay. Siddhiksha says 2, Chetan says 2. It's 3. Vaishali, you're right. Rohini, you're right. Geeta, you're right. Chetan, check again. Okay, note this point, Chetan. That's okay if you're wrong, but 3 is the answer. Ethanol and bleaching powder are used in the preparation of chloroform. Remember this as well. He can also ask you what is used. Options to ethanol kuda ivvachu. So ethanol is also used in preparation of chloroform. Okay, let's go ahead. Which one of the following is not a base? It is not a base, he's asking. First one is HCOH. What's the name? HCOH is the parent name. Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. This is base. NaOH is base. KOH is base. MgOH twice is base. He's asking which is not a base. Yes, option 1. Good. Jitender, Rohini, Yashwant. 4 is a magnesium hydroxide taken twice, no? Magnesium hydroxide, MgOH taken twice. Okay, you got it now. Good. 1 is the answer, right? Yes, you're right. Right, next question. When a metal carbonate reacts with acid, the products are a metal carbonate. Acid to react aithe products enti? A products form aithe. A metal carbonate is being reacted with acid, products in form aithe. 2 is okay. Who says 2? Chetan says 1. Bunny says 2. Siddheksha. Sidhu says 2. Sangeeta says 2. Okay. Let's see. 2 is right. Absolutely right. The knowledge of chemistry is good. I really highly appreciate it. Let's go for the next question. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is range adutunadu. Tooth decay, tooth eppudu paadaithe pH value enta unte? pH of the mouth is below 5.5, between 5.5 and 7, 7 to 7.5, above 7.5, beyond 7.5. Yes, everyone is right. Sleshna, check again, think again. This is again a factual question. Textbook lo మీరు రిఫర్ చేసుకుంటే ఇది ఈజీగా తెలిసిపోతుంది మీకు. Yes, almost everyone is right except 1. Bunny, check again. Note this, wherever you're going wrong, ఎక్కడైనా తప్పు వెళ్తే అది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. యూట్యూబ్ లో వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. All right, next one please. When a metal oxide reacts with an acid, the products formed are ఒక మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ యాసిడ్ తో రియాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతాయి? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ చేతన్ ఫర్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ చేతన్, ఇది మీకోసమే చేస్తున్నాము మేము. When a metal oxide reacts with an acid, the products formed are mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1. I'm getting mixed response for this one. Salt plus water. Here is an example. Example is always better to understand. Consider an example of metal oxide, which is zinc oxide, and an acid, hydrochloric acid. When a metal oxide reacts with acid, the products are salt and water. Reaction goes like this. ZNO plus 2HCl gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2O. Salt and water. Salt is ZnCl2 and water, H2O. Thank you, Sideksha. Thank you so much. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కూడా కొంతమంది తప్పు అయిపోయినాయి. దట్స్ ఓకే, బట్ నోట్ చేసుకొని ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ బుక్ లో రివైజ్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ యూట్యూబ్ లో వెళ్ళి ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళీ రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి, ఒక ఫైనల్ టచ్ లాగా. సరేనా? ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, we get dash. Calcium chloride, plaster of Paris, calcium oxide, none of the above. Gypsum ni heat చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? జిప్సమ్ ని హీట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఫైనలీ? ఓకే, 2 ఆప్షన్ 4, none of the above. ఓకే, చూద్దాం. What you get is plaster of Paris. Look at the reaction here. What is gypsum? Calcium sulfate dihydrate. Pentahydrate ఏంటి? Blue crystals of copper sulfate. That is pentahydrate, copper sulfate. But here you have got calcium sulfate dihydrate is gypsum. When you heat it, you'll get calcium sulfate hemihydrate. ఇక్కడ చిన్న తప్పు పడింది, ఇది 2 ఉండకూడదు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, సారీ ఫర్ దాట్. బుక్ లో కొంచెం తప్పు ఉండే, సారీ. సో చెక్ దిస్ కరెక్షన్. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉండకూడదు ఇక్కడ. CaSO4 dot half H2O hemihydrate. Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. When you heat it at 373 Kelvin, what you get is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, half H2O. All right, next one please. pH of blood is in between dash. The pH of blood is in between. ఇది మళ్ళీ ఫ్యాక్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్. మీరు బుక్ లో రివైజ్ చేసుకొని కూడా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇది క్వశ్చన్. దీంట్లో ఏం పెద్ద లాజిక్ ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, 4, 3. మీరు ప్లీజ్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. తప్పు వెళ్ళిన నో ప్రాబ్లం, కానీ తప్పు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. యూట్యూబ్ లో ఒకసారి బుక్ లో రివైజ్ చేసుకొని యూట్యూబ్ లో వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ ని అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. రివిజన్ అయిపోతుంది, ఫైనల్ టచ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Here is the answer. It is between 7 and 8. It is little basic, slightly basic. 7 is neutral, above 7 is basic, 7 to 8 is slightly basic, weak basic. A kind of weak base. All right, next one please. Here is match the following. Caustic soda, baking soda, gypsum, plaster of Paris. మనం ఇప్పుడే చూసాము, జిప్సమ్ ఫార్ములా చూసాము, ప్లాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ప్యారిస్ ఫార్ములా చూసాము. ఒకటి డైహైడ్రేట్ ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి హెమిహైడ్రేట్ ఉంటుంది. బోత్ ఆర్ హైడ్రేటెడ్ సాల్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ కాల్షియం సల్ఫేట్. అయితే 2 ఈజీగా అయిపోతున్నాయి. ఇంకా 2 మెమరీతో మీరు చేయాలి. కాస్టిక్ సోడా ఏంటి, బేకింగ్ సోడా ఏంటి తెలిస్తే ఈ మ్యాచింగ్ ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. 4 చేతన్, గుడ్. Bhavna, 4. Good. Rohini, 4. Someone says 2 as well. 2. Do you think it's 2? Let's see the answer. It's 4. 4. Good. Now let's see the combination. Caustic soda is nothing but NaOH. Baking soda, NaHCO3. Gypsum, calcium sulfate, 2H2O, dihydrate. Plaster of Paris, calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. All right, let's go for the next one. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives rise to X plus NaHCO3. Then X may be. He's asking you to fill the blank in the equation. మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఒకటి కాంపౌండ్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ప్రొడక్ట్స్ లో రియాక్టెంట్స్ అన్ని ఇచ్చాడు, ప్రోడక్ట్ లో ఒక కాంపౌండ్ ఇవ్వలేదు, అది కాంపౌండ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇట్స్ ఎ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. Okay, let's see the answer. NH4Cl. Here is the complete reaction. What you get is NH4Cl as the X compound. X may be NH4Cl. Yes, 3. Yes, 3. Most of you have answered 3, but few of you answered 1 and 2. So be careful. So next time, in the Nerchkoni, yeah, Chetan, you are right. Yeah, Chetan, you are right. 3 is right. All right, let's see the next one. When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings, what happens? Iron fillings ni HCl add cheste ఏమవుతుంది? Dilute HCl. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are formed. Chlorine gas and iron hydronide are formed. No reaction takes place. Iron, salt, and water are produced. This is not a neutralization reaction, so fourth is ruled out. Fourth possible కాదు. Acid ఇంకా metal react చేస్తే 1, 1, 1. 4 is not possible. Iron fillings means చిన్న iron వి దారం లాగా చిన్న ఉంటాయి. Pieces, చిన్న pieces ఉంటాయి. Iron fillings, I'll try to all right, next time I'll try to show the pic. Tomorrow I'll try to show the pic from the internet. For today, iron fillings ఉంటాయి. Iron pieces వి చిన్న దారం లాగా హెయిర్ లాగా చిన్న pieces ఉంటాయి. Iron fillings అంటారు. All right, next one please. Here, this is formed. Here is the complete reaction. Is it okay, Chetan? You got it? I'll try to show the pic of this one next time. But as of now, let's go for the reaction. Iron plus HCl, aqueous HCl, dilute HCl gives rise to FeCl3 plus 3H2. Gas is released. All right. pH scale is introduced by who is the person, who is the scientist who introduced pH scale? Yeah, most welcome, most welcome. Okay, look at the question. Who has introduced the pH scale? Yes, option 1. Some are saying 3. Sorry here. Okay, let's look at the answer. Sorensen. Sorensen is the person who has introduced the pH scale. It's Sorensen. All right, let's go forward. Phenolphthalein indicator gets pink color in which kind of solution? It is getting pink in color. Phenolphthalein indicator gets pink color in I didn't get your question. What is, just a second. Option 2. Okay, good. 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's see. Yes, 2 is right. 2 is perfectly right. Obviously, right? Basic solution. Rest of all are acids. In an alkaline solution, phenolphthalein indicator turns pink in color. Gets pink color in NaOH since it's a basic solution. Phenolphthalein indicator gets pink color in NaOH since it is a basic solution. మూడు ఏమున్నాయి? HCl solution is acidic, H2SO4 is acidic, CH3COH is also acidic. Ethanoic acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. All right, let's go to the next one. HCl solution with Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 produces Okay, let's see the answer. CO2 gas. All right, all right. All right, let's go for the next. Here are the equations given. These equations you can find in textbook. Separate equation Na2CO3 ఇంకా NaHCO3 తో రియాక్ట్ అయితే ఏమవుతుందని చూపిస్తున్నారు ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో. రెండిట్లో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే HCl solution when reacts with Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 produces which gas? Or what is the product form? Let's go for the next one. Milk of magnesia is what? What is the other name for these compounds shown in the options? Let's see the answer. Magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. Yes, good, 2. All right, let's go for the next one. The base used in soda acid fire extinguishers is fire extinguishers lo, soda acid fire extinguishers lo, A base use chestaru. Chetan was 2. Yes, you are right. Geeta is right. In this case, it's 1. No, base used is this one. All right, let's go for the next one. Here is the explanation. Oh, Chetan, is it 2? Let me check and let you know by tomorrow. But as of now, let's go with the explanation. We can have the discussion tomorrow. In soda acid fire extinguishers, mixture of Na2CO3 base and sulfuric acid are used. The base used is Na2CO3. The pH of milk of magnesia is milk of magnesia మనం ఏం చేసాం చూసాం. Okay, let's get back to that question again. ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేయండి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ కి మళ్ళీ చూద్దాము. I'll make a note of it. What is milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. Here, this is the pH. All right, just memory based. You have to remember this one. 10 to 11. 10.5 is the magnesium milk of magnesia's pH value. Right. Which of the following salt solutions is basic in nature? Na2CO3. Basic in nature, he says. NaCl is neutral. One is neutral. 3, yeah, right. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following solution gives yellow color with methyl orange indicator? మిథైల్ ఆరెంజ్ ఇండికేటర్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు yellow కలర్ దేంట్లో వస్తుంది? yellow కలర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? బేస్, యాసిడ్. మనం బేస్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తే వస్తుందా, యాసిడ్ లో యాడ్ చేసి వస్తుందా? బేస్ లో యాడ్ చేసి వస్తుంది. సో విచ్ ఇస్ ద బేస్ హియర్? NaOH is the base here. That's why NaOH is the answer. Yes, good. Bunny, good. Rohini, base, good. Vaishali, base, good. You people are absolutely fast. Very good. I highly appreciate that. Gives red for acids and yellow for base. Methyl orange gives red for acids and yellow for base. Which of the following compound is used in glass, paper, and soap industry? Again, memory-based question. Yes, you were right. You were right. Chetan, you were right. Rohini, Vaishali, you were right. Okay, let's look at the answer. Washing soda. Memory-based question. Which of the following compound is used in glass, paper, and soap industry? Washing soda. Washing soda is also another name for sodium carbonate. All right. Here, another question. The formula of sodium zincate is formula of sodium zincate. Quickly, I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mixed response, mixed response. Let's see the answer. 2. 2 is the answer, Chit. Yeah, Jyoti, you're right. Sidhu, Rohini, you are right. The ones who went wrong, that's absolutely okay. No problem. తప్పేనా, no problem. కానీ నేర్చుకోండి. ఇక్కడ నేర్చుకుంటే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ లో కరెక్ట్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తారు. All right. Which of the following solutions converts red litmus paper to blue? Red to blue. Litmus paper red to blue convert కావాలి. Red to blue ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? Acidic లో, basic లో? Yes, basic, Bhavana, you're right. So which one is base here? NaOH is the base here. Yes, good, Rohini. Sideksha, good. Sidhu, 3, good. Yes, option 3, you're right. Let's go for the next one. NaOH is the base, hence it turns red litmus blue. Here is the next question. If a solution turns blue litmus to red, then its pH is likely to be. Blue litmus to red అంటే acidic. pH ఎలా ఉండాలి? Less than 7 ఉండాలి. దీంట్లో 7th less than ఏది ఉంది? 1 ఉంది. Option 1. You're all absolutely logically correct. Perfect. Very good. Okay, here is another math following. All right, that's it for today, students. You all have performed very well. Rapid fire round laga chesaru. I'm really happy for the performance you have portrayed today. చూపించిన performance చాలా బాగుంది. రేపు కూడా ఇలానే చేస్తాము. All right, let us cover whole of syllabus as soon as possible. ఇంకా కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కూడా చేస్తాము. All right, I request madam to take over.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, children. Now, Alakya ma'am will take English. So please don't go away. She will take class within few seconds. Alakya ma'am, you can share the screen. And
Thank you,
one more
ma'am.
thing, children, please give importance to English like any other subjects. Even English carries equal marks. All right, children. So please do pay attention and take a notebook and do answer all the questions that is being put forth by our ma'am. And any important things, please note it down. All right, children.
Okay, now, as we all know, I'll once again say marks distribution. For MPC, its duration is 2.5 hours and the maximum marks are 150. For the BIPC group, it's English, bioscience, and physical science, the duration is 2.5 hours and the maximum marks are 150. And for the MEC, its subjects in the entrance test are English, social, and mathematics. The duration is 2.5 hours and the maximum marks are 150. So English carries 50. 1/3 of the marks are carried by English. So you shouldn't neglect it. You have to not neglect it in any way. Let us start with synonyms. Do you know what are synonyms? Synonyms are meanings. So it's very simple. You have to find the meaning of these words. So we'll start. Select the synonym of indict. I'll be checking the chat box. Sidiksha says 1. Vaishali says 1. Okay. Okay. But please do check. Is it 1? Okay. Let's check the answer. It's charge. Indict means charge. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you can refer dictionary if you want and say so that you'll be doing it in a very nice way. So select the synonym of lucidity. I'm checking the chat box. Vaishali 3. And anyone else? Sidiksha Reddy 3. Okay. Yeah. Let's see the answer. It's 3. Correct. Your response is highly appreciated. So let's go to the next one. Select the synonym of deluge. Okay. I pressed the button, so it's flood. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Select the synonym of appraise. Four. Sidiksha Reddy and Jyoti 3. Okay, 3. She says 3. Okay, let's check the answer. Pavana says 4. Okay, let's check the answer. It's judge. Appraise meaning judging. Next. Select the synonym of preponderance. Okay, it's dominance. Select the synonym of brisk. Quick. It's quick. Select the synonym of pale. It's bucket. Select the synonym of condone. It's overlook. Select the synonym of absurd. We generally use this word, right? So it's ridiculous. Select the synonym of solitary. It's lonely. Select the synonym of pacific. Oh my God. 1 second. The synonym of pacific is peaceful. Select the synonym of wander. It's roam. We'll say my thoughts are wandering and all like that. They're like roaming. Select the synonym of taciturn. It's silent. Select the synonym of furry. It's anger. Select the synonym of tirade. Vishali says 4. Rohini says 4. Okay, let's see. It's rant. Select the antonym of invincible. Invincible. It's vulnerable. So now we have come into antonyms, which is opposite. You can see here opposites. Select the antonym of inoffensive. Inoffensive. It's rude. Select the antonym of divulge. Let's see the answer. It's conceal. Select the antonym of discord. Okay, let's check the answer. It's harmony. Select the antonym of mammoth. Small. Select the antonym of destructive. Option 2. Okay. Yes, it's constructive. Select the antonym of corrupt. Can you say the antonym of corrupt? Yes, let's check the answer. It's honest. Select the antonym of prominent. It's obscure. Select the antonym of malignant. Okay, let's check the answer. It's Benny. Select the antonym of hostile. Can you try? Okay, let's check the answer. It's sympathetic. Select the antonym of perile. It's safety. Select the antonym of arcane. Let's see this. It's hackneyed. Select the antonym of stingy. Extravagant. Select the antonym of humble. Pretentious. Select the antonym of compendium. It's expansion. So these are phrases. You have to select the option which means the same as assume as. Let's check the answer. It's pretend superiority. You have to select the option which means the same as. After this class, we'll be having biology. So please stay. Next one, cold comfort. It means slight satisfaction. Play truant. Select the option which means the same as play truant. We'll see the answer. Stay away from duty. Select the option which means the same as beggar description. Cannot be described. Not my cup of tea. You must be knowing it. Select the option which means the same as not my cup of tea. Okay, you all are saying 4. Let's see. Not what I like. To have second thoughts, select the option which means the same as. To have second thoughts, to reconsider. Select the option which means the same as the underlined phrase. Tongue in check. It's in an insincere way. Chetan is very upset because the new manager always picks on him. So what does it mean? Select the option. Treats badly. You need to improve your work because it is not up to the mark. So what does this mean? Can you select the option? So we'll check. According to the required standard, the whole problem has been swept under the carpet, but that is not the solution. What does this mean? It's kept hidden. Swept under the carpet means kept hidden. The strawberry dessert you made was out of this world. What does this mean? I'm seeing the chat box. 1. Vaishali says 1. 1. Okay, option 1. Let's see. Extraordinary. I have recently changed my job and I'm going to have teething problems. What does that mean? Difficulties at the start. Okay, remember it. Teething problems means difficulties at the start. Okay. Thank you for being so patient. So I now hand over to Gayatri madam. Ma'am,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Children, just hold on. Let me share the screen. Yes, Avanti, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am. You can share the screen and continue.
Okay, okay. I'm waiting. Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay. No. Good evening, children. Now we'll go with the biology. Okay. Yes, today we'll go with the coordination topic, okay? Coordination in life processes. So in the previous classes, in the previous coaching, we have done with this coordination topic. So I'm just continuing with the coordination. Okay. Yes, children. 1 minute. Okay. See, actually, life processes. What are life processes? Life processes are the basic maintenance functions which are required for an organism to survive. So without these basic functions, there is no organism surviving in the nature. Like we can take nutrition, respiration, circulation, or transportation and excretion. So these are the main basic processes or basic functions. Without this, there is no living organism surviving in the nature. It may be a unicellular organism like amoeba or a bacterial cell, or it may be a multicellular organism like a plant body or animal body. So without these basic functions, there is no life. So we have done nutrition, respiration, transportation, and then excretion. So we shall just discuss few questions from the topic life processes. That maybe respiration mostly will cover, and then we'll cover coordination topic today. Okay. Yes. I want answers to the question, children, which was on your screen. Yes. During the respiration, the movement of intercostal and diaphragm, that is the diaphragm region moves and the rib cage inflating and deflating. So this will be happening in which part of our body? Liver, lung, abdomen, and kidney. So which part of the body have this inflation and deflation of the diaphragm? What's the answer, children? So this covers the topic respiration. So this is from the topic respiration, life process. Yes, very good, Sangeeta. Yes. Yes, very good. Tony. Yeah. Yes. So it is lungs, children. Very good. Very good answer, children. It is lungs. So lungs are the major respiratory organs which enable or which is responsible for the purification of the gases. So lungs, in like the what the contraction and relaxation of the lungs, the rib gauge, is because of the movement. So that movement is because of the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped structure which separates the chest cavity from the abdomen. So it is the lungs. Lungs are the answer. Very good. Lungs are the answer, children. Next we'll move with the next question. Respiration is an involuntary process controlled by the medulla oblongata of this nervous system. See, actually medulla oblongata is the part which is belonging to the hindbrain part of the human brain. So here mostly this medulla oblongata is concerned with the involuntary actions. What are the involuntary actions? These are the actions or these are the processes which are happening in the human body without the consciousness. Without our consciousness, these actions will be happening in the human body. So under which nervous system? Actually, children, we have three types of nervous system. One is central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. So central nervous system includes the two important organs, that is brain and the spinal cord. And then peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves which emerges from both the organs of the central nervous system. So complete peripheral nervous system includes the network of nerves, nerve cells. So then comes autonomous. See, autonomous means these are the self-regulating actions or functions which are happening in the human body. Like we can take the blinking of eyes. We are just blinking. We are just closing and opening the eyelid. So it is happening without our consciousness, isn't it? So it's a kind of involuntary action. And even reflex actions we can take. And the peristaltic movements which are happening in the human intestine. Okay, all these will be happening without our consciousness. That comes under involuntary process. So here in the question, what they're asking is, respiration is an involuntary process which is controlled by the medulla oblongata. So it comes under which part of the nervous system? The question is very clear. So I want answers, children. Yes, very good. Very nice. Very nice. Tony, Sleshna. Yes. Sangeeta, Shruti, Ruchita. Ruchita, it's not here. It's not two. Yes. Yes. Children, most of you are giving one is answer. Yes, absolutely correct. It is autonomous nervous system. So respiration is a part of autonomous nervous system, which is a self-regulatory in the human body. Okay. Very good. Nice. Yes. Next, we'll move to the next question. If energy has to be obtained from food, it has to be, see, the food what we are taking in different times in a day will be dash, actually. What happens to that food molecule? So basically the food what we have taken is a glucose. It's a carbohydrate. So what is happening to that carbohydrate once it is moving into the cell, at the cellular level, what is happening? Yes, the question is very clear to you. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Sangeeta, Rohini, it's not two, dear. It's not two. It's three, oxidized. So food is getting oxidized. Means here the carbohydrate glucose is oxidized. Here we are inhaling oxygen. Am I right, children? We are inhaling oxygen. What is the importance of oxygen gas here? Oxygen will break the glucose molecule to produce energy. And also water molecule is released at the cellular level. And energy will be liberated. And that energy will be stored in the human cell or at the cellular level in the form of ATP. And this ATP will be stored in mitochondria of the cell. This is called actually respiration. Okay. So respiration is not breathing. It is not at inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. That is called breathing. Okay. So respiration is nothing but oxidizing the food molecule in the presence of oxygen. Okay. So that is the importance of oxygen to us. So it is oxidized. So you should say always it is oxidized. Yes. Then enteric nervous system is present in enteric. Here it is clearly mentioning the enteric nervous system. Enteric. What is the answer? It is actually self-explanatory. The question has the answer. Enteric nervous system is present in excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, and transport system. So which of these systems have the enteric nervous system? Sangeeta? No, Sangeeta, it's not a circulatory system. Okay. No, it's not one. It's not one, Sleshna. Think and answer. Think and answer. Yes, Pavana. Yes, it's three. It is actually digestive system. So enteric means internally it is happening. So here self-regulatory. As I told you, peristaltic movements will be present no, in the enteric system. That is the elementary canal have this peristaltic movement. So it is actually digestive system. Enteric nervous system is present in digestive system. Okay. Then the neural tissue of enteric nervous system is filled with important. The neural tissue of enteric nervous system, that is in the digestive system, what are present actually. So how we can know that? See, we are taking a lot of food. We take a plate of food, okay, plate of meal or something you have taken, or some 4 idli or 1, 2 dosa you have taken. After taking that food, so what actually tells you, oh, you have eaten more, enough. So what gives that actually? What some kind of what the cells, we can say that sensory cells are present in the enteric system. What are those actually? They are transmitters, neurotransmitters, electrons and electrodes. So you can just go with the odd one out here. Electrons and electrodes are not present in our body. Transmitters are not present in our body, am I right? So we are dealing with a bio subject, no? So all this comes under the other science, physical science, am I right? Or the chemical science. So only one, that is neurotransmitters. Okay. So like that, you have to go with the odd one out, children. Yes, very good. Most of you have given 2. Nice. So it is neurotransmitter. Excellent. Then the second brain contains about millions neurons. What is the second brain here? Actually here, children, in the human brain, we have 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So forebrain includes cerebrum. Midbrain mostly controls all the involuntary actions, and hindbrain includes cerebellum, medulla oblongata, and pons varolii. So these are the parts of the hindbrain. So here the second brain constitutes how many neurons? How many million neurons? Here the second brain is nothing but the cerebellum part of the human brain. So it is very important to the body or to the human body. How many neurons it has? It is given in your textbook, children. So you are doing this part now. You can go with the textbook also. You can refer your textbook and give the answer. I want answer, children. Yes, it is clearly mentioned in your textbook. It is 100 neurons. It is made up of 100 million neurons, not neurons, 100 million neurons. Okay. And if any damage is happening to these nerve cells once in the lifespan, it is permanent because these nerve cells do not have any ability of cell division. Okay. So only during the birth they will be, and after death there will be, like, there is no what we call, they cannot divide. Okay. So they don't have any division, cell division function is completely absent in nerve cells. Okay. That too brain cells. Yes. So it is 100. Okay. Are you following me, children? అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేది మాట్లాడుతుంది అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? Okay. Yes. Now we'll go with the next question. Hard mass of feces gets stored in this part of the large intestine. So hard mass of the feces gets stored in this part of the large intestine. So here, when you go with the functions of the complete digestive system, here complete digestion and absorption will be happening in the small intestine. We know that. Then whatever the food which is not getting absorbed or not digested in the small intestine will be moving into the large intestine. So in the large intestine, what is present? That is the answer. Rectum, colon, cecum, and duodenum. The answer, children? Yes, very good. Rohini, Pavana, Sangita, it's not 4, Nana. 4 kaadu, Nana, idi 1. 1 is the answer. Okay, rectum is the correct answer, Nana. Yes. Next. Only after the dissolved food enters these, the sense of taste is carried to brain. Only after the dissolved food enters these, the sense of taste is carried to the brain. See, here if you take the buccal cavity, that is a mouth cavity. In the mouth cavity, we have teeth and we have tongue. Okay. And then we have salivary glands. So here, taste, you have to go with the odd one out again here. Taste buds, taste receptors, then it is filiform papillae and all the above. What's the answer, children? Once the it's not all the above, think and give the answer. It's not all the above. These are responsible for the taste. These are responsible for the taste which are present on the surface of the tongue. Yes. Yes, Jyoti, very good. Pavana, yes. Yes. Yes, Pavana. Ruchita, it is 1, children. Taste buds. Taste buds is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Then taste can be identified easily when the tongue is pressed against the. So again, it's a part of digestive system. Okay. So taste can be identified easily when the tongue is pressed against this. Against the, see, if you take here, we have, as I told you, papillae we have. Okay. So tongue will be laid down on the, that is the answer actually. Throat, buccal cavity, palate, and glottis. Throat is not the part of buccal cavity. You can exclude it. Then buccal cavity is a complete part, mouth cavity. You can exclude it. And glottis also you can exclude because it is present between the digestive system and the respiratory system. You can exclude it. So what is left here? Only one thing left, that is the third one. Yes, palate. Very good. Most of you are giving the correct answer. Very good, Nana. Bagistunnar, manchi cheptunnar answers. Yes, manchi cheptunnar, Nana. Palate. Palate is the answer. Yes, very good. So I'm very happy you are giving the correct answers. Then tincture of iodine is used to confirm the presence of dash in the food. It is, you are learning from your childhood. 6th class లో చదువుకున్నారు, 7th లో చదువుకున్నారు, 8th లో చదువుకున్నారు, మళ్ళీ 9th లో ఉంది ఆ టాపిక్, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు 10th లో కూడా ఉన్నది. అదేంటిది? అయోడిన్ ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాము? అయోడిన్ రియేజెంట్ ఈస్ యూస్డ్ ఫర్ టెస్టింగ్ వాట్? కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ కదా. సో ఇందులో ఉన్న మనకు ఆప్షన్ లో ఉన్న కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ ఏంటి? కాంప్లెక్స్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్, స్టార్చ్. అదే ఆన్సర్ మరిగా అయిపోయింది. స్టార్చ్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. అంతే. Tincture of iodine is used to confirm the presence of starch. Very good. Yes. Simple answer. Next. As a result of chewing, food forms into round mass. What is that round mass of food called? Chyme, bolus, semichyme, and bolon. See, bolon is not actually, it's not a word in our digestive system. Chyme, it is not chyme. Chyme is formed in the stomach. Okay. And what is the answer? You have to go with 2 and 3. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Spurti, Pavana. Yes, Rohini. Rohini, it's not 3, Nana. 3 kaadu answer. Option 2 is the answer. Okay, it is bolus. Okay, bolus is the answer. Okay, bolus is the answer. Yes, very good. Next, salivary amylase acts on these large molecules to form sugars. See, children, whenever the word comes amylase is an enzyme which acts mostly on carbohydrates. This is, you have to take it as a blunder thing. బ్లైండ్ గా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. అమైలేస్ అనే వర్డ్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చినా మనకి అమైలేస్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? సలైవరీ అమైలేస్ మనకి బకల్ క్యావిటీ మౌత్ లో ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది, సలైవరీ గ్లాండ్స్. ఇంకొక అమైలేస్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది మనకి? ప్యాన్క్రియాటిక్ అమైలేస్. అంటే అది ఎక్కడ యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది మనకి? స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. యాక్చువల్ గా ప్యాన్క్రియాస్ విల్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ ప్యాన్క్రియాటిక్ అమైలేస్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, ఈవెన్ intestinal juices also they secrete amylase enzyme. So their substrate is actually carbohydrates. Okay. So salivary amylase acts on these large molecules to form sugars. So here sugar is it's a simple carbohydrate. So among these options, you should check what is a carbohydrate form. Fat, nana fat కాదమ్మా. Fat ఎట్లా అవుతుంది పావన? ఆలోచించమ్మా, ఆలోచించ ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వండి. శృతి, yes. It is starch. As I'm telling, no, it is starch. Starch is a complex carbohydrate. Okay. So the answer is starch. See, proteins will be acted upon by pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme which is produced in stomach. Then we have trypsin. Trypsin will be produced in the small intestine. So here both will be acting on proteins. Those are enzymes. Okay. Then fat will be acted upon by lipase and also bile juice. So these two are different. Minerals అనేవి అబ్జార్బ్ అవుతాయి డైరెక్ట్ గా. ఎంజైమ్స్ విల్ నాట్ యాక్ట్ ఆన్ మినరల్స్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, మినరల్స్ అనేవి మనం తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ లో డైరెక్ట్ గా మన సెల్స్ కి అవర్ సెల్స్ కుడ్ ఏబుల్ టు అబ్జార్బ్ దెమ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఎంజైమ్స్ అనేవి యాక్ట్ అవ్వవు మినరల్స్ మీద. ఓన్లీ సబ్స్ట్రేట్స్, మనం ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? సబ్స్ట్రేట్, దట్ ఈస్ కాంపోనెంట్స్, కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, ప్రోటీన్స్, దెన్ ఫ్యాట్ మాలిక్యూల్స్. మోస్ట్లీ వీటి మీదనే ఎంజైమ్స్ అనేవి యాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఈ మిగతా ఏంటి? వైటమిన్స్, మినరల్స్ అనేవి మన సెల్స్ లో డైరెక్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ అయిపోతాయి. సో ఎంజైమ్స్ అనేవి వాటి మీద మోస్ట్లీ యాక్ట్ అవ్వవు. సో వేటి మీద యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది? ఓన్లీ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ ఫామ్, ప్రోటీన్స్, ఇంకా ఇది ఫ్యాట్స్, అంతే. ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటి ఆన్సర్? ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి స్టార్చ్. స్టార్చ్ ఈజ్ అ ఆన్సర్. ఎస్. దెన్ ఇంకొకటి సేమ్ అదే, కానీ ఏంటంటే ఇట్స్ అ మీడియం. salivary amylase will be acting in this medium. So in which medium salivary amylase will be acting on the carbohydrates? Okay, salivary amylase will be acting in this medium. So what's the answer, children? Yes. Rohini 1, alkaline. Shruti 2, Jyoti 1, Vaishali alkaline. No, Nana, it is actually Shleshna Shleshna has given the correct answer. Yes, it is actually, children, acidic medium. Acidic medium, this salivary amylase will be acting, or it will be breaking down the complex carbohydrates to simple in the presence of acidic medium. Okay, it is acidic medium, children. Then we'll move with the next question. Yes, belching and burning sensation is caused by the production of this acid in the stomach. We have only one acid in the stomach. That is the answer. Nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and phosphorus acid. Only one acid our body, that is our intestine, the stomach produces. That is the answer, children. Very good, very good. See, whenever you don't know any answer, you are not aware of that particular answer, you can go with this odd one out. You have to choose the correct option. In this way, you can just get an appropriate answer to the question asked in the exam. Okay? Yes. Yes, children. Very good. I'm happy. Yes, it is hydrochloric acid. Very good. See, this hydrochloric acid will be secreted by the gastric glands of the stomach. Actually, gastric gland secretes gastric juice. That gastric juice has this hydrochloric acid, pepsin enzyme, and then mucus. The function of this hydrochloric acid is it completely turns the pH of stomach into acidic. When the acidic pH is completely activated in the stomach, then the pepsin starts acting on the proteins. And also here it is an acidic medium, no? So the stomach wall gets ruptured because of this acidic nature of HCl. So that can be avoided by the mucus. So mucus will be protecting the wall of the stomach from this acidic nature of hydrochloric acid. Okay, so because of that hydrochloric acid secretion, we will be getting these sensations in the stomach, or in the body, not in the stomach, sorry, in the body. Okay, yes. Then The neural apparatus of our digestive tract has been nicknamed by scientists as the neural apparatus. So it is a part of autonomous nervous system. As I told you, it is involving peristaltic movements regulated by the sphincter muscles of the digestive system. So it comes under, or scientists have nicknamed it as what? The neural apparatus of our digestive system or the tract has been nicknamed by scientists as which brain? Second brain, third brain, first brain, and fourth brain. What's the answer? Ruchita 1, Jyoti 2, Sleshna 2. It's not 2, Nana. 2 kadamma. Okay. It is 1 actually. Rohini, yes. Second brain. It is actually the second brain. Okay. Then surface area of the small intestine for absorption is increased by. So as I told you, small intestine is an important part of the digestive system which involves the complete digestion and absorption. So for the absorption of the small intestine, the wall of the small intestine are provided with these following options: villi, lymph vessels, blood vessels, and sphincter muscles. Lymph vessels, not at all, because they are not involved in digestion. You can exclude it. Blood vessels, not at all, because blood cells, you can exclude it. Then sphincter muscles. Sphincter muscles are not, they are involved in peristaltic movements, but they are not involved with the small intestine. So what is the option left here? You can go with the, yes, very good. Very nice. Very nice. Happy. It is villi. So actually villi are the finger-like projections which are present on the external surface of the intestinal cells, which have very good blood supply. So immediately after breaking down or after complete absorption of the digested food here, that simple molecules of the food will be absorbed into the cellular level or at the cellular level with this villi. And with this villi has actually very good blood supply. So immediately blood will be carrying all the absorbed food molecules to all the cells of the human body to give energy. Okay. Yes. The villi is the correct answer. Yes. Then acidic nature of chyme indicates the production of hormones like. Hormones are also involved in the digestion process, children. So here the acidic nature of chyme indicates the production of these hormones. It is given in your textbook, children. Very clearly it is given. It is secretin and it is cholecystokinin. Okay. So these are the hormones which are responsible for the acidic nature of the chyme. Chyme is what? It is the partially digested food which is found in the stomach. So that is regulated by these or produced by the effect of these hormones, secretin and cholecystokinin. Then we'll move to the next question. The action of the acid secreted in the stomach is countered by. The action of the acid secreted in the stomach is countered by. So what regulates it? Okay, that's the question. What regulates? What's the answer, children? Please give the answer. Yes. Spurti. Yes, 4. Shleshna 2 Kadnana. Siddiksha. No, it is not 3. Sri Varshini. Ruchita. Ruchita has given the correct answer. Pavana has given the correct answer. Rachana has given the correct answer. Very good, children. Very good. It is 4, Nana. The mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach will be countering the action of the acid which is secreted in the stomach wall. So it is the mucus. నేను ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా ఇంతకు ముందు ఒక క్వశ్చన్ కి రిలేటెడ్ గా చెప్పాను. So gastric gland secretes gastric juice. Gastric juice secretes 3 important components. One is hydrochloric acid and the other one is pepsin enzyme and then mucus. So this mucus will be secreting or like it will be protecting the wall of the stomach. So mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach will be like that will be protecting the stomach wall from the acidic nature of hydrochloric acid. As I told you, so it is 4, option 4. Then HCl secreted by the walls of the stomach is strong enough to digest even the parts like. So we'll be eating a lot of food, isn't it? So even that could able to digest, the hydrochloric acid could able to digest these hard parts of the food components like cartilage, hard bones, muscles, and tendons. What's the answer, children? Vaishali 1, cartilage. హార్డ్ పార్ట్ అని అక్కడ ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇనఫ్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పాలి మీకు? స్ట్రాంగ్ అంటే మనకు బోన్లో ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రాంగ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ బాడీ? బోన్ కదా. కార్టిలేజ్ ఇస్ వెరీ స్మూత్ మజిల్. Okay. Rohini, muscles are Kadanana, Spurti, Rachana. Yes, it is bone, children, hard bone. Okay, strong enough to digest means you have to go with the bones. Okay, hard part. Even we could able to digest the hard part, that is hard bones. Hard bones is the correct answer, children. Okay. Next. Emptying of 100% food from small intestine takes, that is complete digestion and absorption, includes how many hours? Okay, once we have taken the food, it takes how many hours for the complete from morning to the bedtime? How much time it will take for the complete digestion and absorption of the food? It is given in your textbook very clearly. Please refer your textbook before giving the answer. Yes. Very good. Most of you are giving the correct answer. 1. Ruchita, 2. Kadanana, Srivarshini, 1. Yes, Shruti 1. Amma, it is 30 to 40 hours. 30 to 40 hours. Ante మనం ఒక రోజు ఫుడ్ తీసుకోకుండా we can able to manage. Okay, 30 to 40 hours. If you have taken very good meal, ante you have taken stomach full of food, then it is enough. But 30 to 40 hours, the complete process will happen in our system. Okay, very good. Please 30 to 40 hours. Next, reverse peristalsis occurs in these animals. Reverse peristalsis means the food what we have taken once into our system, these animals could able to again get back into the buccal cavity and this chew a lot. So where this will be happening, in which animals? Herbivores, ruminates, carnivores, and omnivores. What's the answer, children? This you are learning from your childhood again. This you have this topic in 7th class and again in 10th class you have. Yes. Yes. Pavana, Shruti, Shivavarshini. Shivavarshini 3 కాదమ్మా. It's not 3. Carnivores will not have that mechanism. Okay. Yes, it is 2, children. Yes, 2 is the answer. Ruminates. Ruminates means grass-eating animals, mostly like cow, buffalo, goat. Okay. See, ruminates, why it is very specifically mentioned is they have a definite organ in their digestive system. Okay, rumen, they have a chamber in their digestive system which is responsible for that reverse peristalsis action in those bodies. It is ruminates. Okay, ruminates is the answer. Yes. Then interaction between these increase our perceptions of food we eat. So interaction, perception means that kind of feeling. Interaction between these increases our perception of food we eat. What are involved here? See, when your mother is cooking something in the kitchen, it smells. Am I right? You can smell it. Then immediately what comes into your mouth? Saliva starts secreting in your mouth. Am I right? So your birds, your taste buds will be activated. So smell and taste are like they are coordinating with each other. Okay, so it is, have you given the answer? Nice. Yes, it is option 3, children. Option 3. Very good. Senses of taste and smell. Yes. Okay. This is a logical question. This is a logical question. You can able to answer without basic knowledge of the textbook. Then, umami is a taste. Which taste? Umami is a taste of what? Chinese savory, Japanese, English, and Indian. Umami is given in your textbook. Yes, Shleshna, Vaishali. It's not 1, Nana. Spurti Reddy, it's not 4. It is not our Indian food actually. Okay, umami is a Japanese. It's a Japanese. Okay, it is a Japanese savory. It is a Japanese one. Japanese. Okay, it is given in your textbook, children. Then hunger pangs continues up to. So you are feeling very hungry, am I right? So that is only for some short duration. So how many duration? How much duration it will happens? It is given again in your textbook. It is very clearly mentioned in your textbook. For how many minutes that hunger pangs will be continuing in our body? It is 30 to 45 minutes, children. 30 to 45 minutes. Okay. Next question. Then which stomach, when stomach goes empty, which hormone is secreted from the walls of the stomach? You are not having food for some hours. Then what happens? Which hormone will be secreted in the walls of our stomach? It is going in your textbook again, ghrelin, leptin, secretin, and gastrin. What is the hormone which is secreted by the walls of the stomach when we are starving for some time? or you are not eating food for some time? I want answer, children. Yes, glycerin. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, absolutely correct. Most of you have given the correct answer. It is one, option one. Yes, glycerin. Next, the length of the alimentary canal is, again, it is a correct, like appropriate one, which is given in your textbook. That number is given very, like it's a definite one, definite question, important question. The length of the alimentary canal is, it is given in your textbook with a number. Yes, very good. Yes, children, it is 9 meters. Very good. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. So it is 9 meters. Okay, 9 meters. Yes. Then identify the function of the enteric nervous system. What is the function of the enteric nervous system? Stimulating and coordinating the breaking down of the food, absorbing nutrients, expelling waste materials, and all the above. What's the answer, children? What's the function of enteric nervous system? It is all the above. Stimulating and coordinating, breaking down of the food, absorption of the nutrients, and even expelling, that is excreting the waste materials. So it is all the above. Okay, next. The temperature of the stomach during the digestion is. So what is the temperature of the stomach when we are digesting the food molecules? What's the answer? See, many numerical forms are given in today's class. So you have to remember. All these are very important. Please remember. Yes, what's the answer, children? 2, 3, no, Sleshna 1. Yes, it is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Not 2, Siddhika. Yes, Rohini, very good. It is 1. 1 is the answer, children. Okay, 1 is the answer. It is 100 degree Fahrenheit. Then, hunger pangs are developed in stomach when? What? See, when we feel hungry actually. Hunger pangs are developed in the stomach when? The levels of glucose in the blood rises. The levels of glucose in the blood remain unchanged. The levels of glucose in the blood falls down. All the above. What's the answer? When we feel hungry, when we are not having enough glucose in the body, that's the answer. So levels of the glucose in the blood falls down, then we'll feel hungry. Am I right? So it is the answer. Then the nerve which plays an important role in the sensation of taste. We have many nerves. Okay, we have, as I told you, we have peripheral nervous system. So these are the nerves which emerges from both the organs of the human, that is CNS, central nervous system. So which nerve is responsible for the sensation of taste? It is also given in your textbook, children. It is the direct question. What's the answer? 9th cranial nerve, 8th cranial nerve, 10th cranial nerve, and 11th cranial nerve. What's the answer? Okay. No, it's not 4. Yes, Sleshna, it's 3. 3 is the answer. 3 is the correct answer. It is a 10th cranial nerve. So 10th cranial nerve, we have a set of cranial nerves that the 10th cranial nerve is responsible for the taste. Okay. Yes. It's not 3, Sleshna. Okay, yes, 10th. It's 10th cranial nerve. 3 is the answer. Yes. Then swallowing of the food from mouth into the esophagus is coordinated by the swallowing centers in the swallowing of the food from mouth into esophagus, that is from buccal cavity to esophagus, is coordinated by the centers which are present in which part of the human brain? What's the answer here? Medulla oblongata and cerebellum, medulla oblongata and brainstem. Brainstem means which includes cerebellum and the pons varoli. This complete is called brainstem. Cerebrum and cerebellum, cerebrum and brainstem. What's the answer, children? Yes. No. 2. 2 is the answer, children. It's not 1, 3. It is 2. Medulla oblongata and the brainstem. Okay. It is medulla oblongata and the brainstem is the correct answer. Okay. So with this, we have done few topic in our coordination the life process. Okay. We have done. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
okay.
you, children. I'm sure you all would have learned today in science and English. So please pay attention and give equal importance to English as well, because English also carries equal 50 marks like your other subjects. And those who have missed today's class, please don't forget to watch our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And please do subscribe our YouTube channel and tell about our classes to all your friends, relatives, neighbors, your teachers, and so that you know even they can join and get benefited by this. And tomorrow we all can again meet at 7:25. Please do log in the Google, in this ID at 7:25. Thank you so much, students. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.